What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to create GDPR friendly or GDPR compliant contact forms into your WordPress website for free. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this one with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. To create our contact forms, we're going to be using WPForms. So into the search plugins field, into the upper right corner of our screen, click and type WPForms. We're going to be installing this plugin right here, the WPForms Lite version, the free version of the plugin. Click on install now. Then we're going to click into the activate button. This is going to redirect us, okay, to the plugin welcome page. Welcome to WPForm. There is a setup video. There is some features that they're gonna share. They're gonna try to sell you the pro version, but I prefer to keep this video for free at this time. Review the left sidebar of menus on your WordPress dashboard once again, and next to appearance you're gonna be able to find a new menu called WPForms. Before we start creating our forms to gain leads, to receive contacts, to receive emails, please go to the submenu settings. This is very important, okay, and can create you law problems, okay? So scroll it down just a little bit, and right here on GDPR enhancements, normally it can set as off and you must set it as on, okay? What this gonna do? This gonna create for you a GDPR compliant form. So set on, save your changes. If you are using the pro version of the plugin, you're going to be able to see two new options, okay? The disable user cookies and disable user details. This things right here isn't important if you are using the light version of the plugin, the free version, because normally the plugin will not collect this kind of info into the free version. So nothing to worry, just set this option as on and save your changes. For more options and ideas to make your WordPress GDPR friendly, please go to Visual Modo or go to Google and type Visual Modo GDPR, and you're going to be able to find more videos and tutorials where I do explain more options and more things that you can make to make your site GDPR friendly. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best.